What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I wanted to make this video on some of the things I picked up today, also the mini video game lot that I got in today. So first things first, this is the mini game lot. Just got it in the mail. As you can see, they're all brand spanking new. Not bad at all. Got a sweet deal on that. Again, that was the mini lot. Only spent like 30 bucks for it. We also got some games from Walmart, so we picked up a few of these. Picked up these here, these. Titanfall was actually an amazing game. If you didn't play Titanfall 2, I would definitely recommend that. I wasn't a big fan of number 1, but Titanfall 2 was just just amazing. It was a masterpiece. Also check out if you ever see these right here. I find these all the time at thrift stores and Goodwills. Honestly, again, I have no idea what it is, but they sell fantastically. Pick them up for I picked this up for $1.50 because they were on sale for 50%. So you see the $3 right there. I'm gonna sell it for 40 bucks, and as you can see, it's brand spanking new. These right here, pick these up for 25 cents because again, everything was 50% off in the store. Those are selling for like $2.99 or something like that. But you guys know me, we're gonna put that price up since the rank is pretty low. We're gonna put the price up. Wait a month or two, see if we can get like $9.99 for each one. Like I said, guys, you just gotta wait for sales, sometimes. That's my thing. I have no problem waiting for future sales. Again, if I could spend $10,000 a day and get a guaranteed $30,000 in a couple of months, I have no problem waiting. That's just me. I'm all about those future sales. I don't need to get sales today, right? The games, you buy from Walmart, stuff like that, people will be like, oh, you're gonna, those not gonna sell for a long time. I don't care. See, that's the difference between these normal people and business owners. Business owners, I can wait for results. There is no problem with that. Now I know some people might be new into this and they might not have a budget and stuff like that where they can wait for certain products. But if you can buy a video game for $3, that's literally less than what people will pay for a Subway sandwich. That's less than what people pay for an overpriced ass coffee at Starbucks every morning. So you shouldn't complain about sitting on a video game that can literally make you 10 times more than what you paid for. Right? So that's just what it's gonna come down to, guys. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, all that fun stuff. Where I get my lots from, my video games, all the stuff that I do is in Landshark Profits. If you guys are a Landshark Profits member, go watch the video I just put in there. Basically, showed you guys where I got this lot from, the whole 9 yards. But that is pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's like ghosts in here, shit falling down and stuff. But yeah, guys, have a good night.